find square root of 64 by division method. First, make pair. Okay, now you have to take here number whose square will be equal to 64 or near to 64. If you take here 7, then 7 square will be 49, which is much less than 64. If you take here 8 square equal to 64, which is equal to 64. Look here. So if you take here 8, then this 8 must come to the quotient also. 8 times 8, 64. Subtract, you are getting 0. You have to write the same number here. We have taken here 8, so write here 8 and add 60. Look, this number, this new divisor will be always double of the quotient. This 8 plus 8, 16. So the square root of 64 is 8 is correct.